Frizz? No more. Unlock glossy, hydrated hair with JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. Instant glow. If you've ever dealt with hair that's dry, dull, and frizzy, you know the struggle of trying to tame it into submission. No matter what you do, it feels like your hair refuses to cooperate. Styling products might promise the world, but they often fail to deliver. If you're tired of feeling like your hair's stuck in an endless bad hair day, it's time for a change. Meet JVN Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. The solution that promises to banish frizz, restore shine, and leave you with hair that looks and feels healthier. Can this be the miracle your hair has been waiting for? Enter JVN Nourishing Shine Drops, your ultimate hair savior. This ultra-lightweight oil instantly transforms your hair with visible shine and reduces frizz by a staggering 96%. Unlike many other products that weigh hair down or leave it greasy, JVN's special formula is designed to hydrate without residue. What's more, it provides 100% antioxidant protection from UV damage and color fading, making it an all-in-one solution for dull, lifeless hair. For anyone struggling with frizz, flyaways, or lackluster strands, JVN Nourishing Shine Drops provide an instant, long-lasting fix that restores your hair's natural glow. So, what makes JVN Nourishing Shine Drops stand out from the rest? The magic lies in its clean ingredients. With hibiscus extract to protect your hair from UV damage and meadowfoam ester to lock in hydration, this product nourishes your hair from the inside out. Hemisqualane, a patented ingredient, strengthens your hair and adds a brilliant shine that lasts. Unlike other products that might contain sulfates or silicones, JVN's formula is free of harsh chemicals, ensuring that it's gentle on both your hair and the environment. It's a game changer for those looking for healthy, vibrant, and shiny hair. Why settle for temporary fixes when you can have long-lasting results? With JVN Nourishing Shine Drops, you're not just getting a quick solution for today's frizz, you're improving your hair's overall health over time. This product tames flyaways, gives you silky smooth strands, and boosts shine without the need for heavy styling products. Plus, the results are immediate, whether your hair is damp or dry, just a few drops provide instant hydration and texture. For anyone who wants a product that saves time, simplifies their routine, and consistently delivers, JVN Nourishing Shine Drops are the perfect addition to your hair care regimen. If you're still asking whether JVN Nourishing Shine Drops are worth it, let us make it clear: yes, it is. Whether you have fine, thick, straight, wavy, or curly hair, this product is suitable for everyone. It provides all the benefits: hydration, shine, frizz control, UV protection, without the weight or greasy feel that other oils often leave behind. Plus, it comes in a sleek, travel-friendly bottle that's easy to use and guarantees a fresh, fragrant finish every time. It's not just another hair oil, it's a game-changing product that works wonders, giving you healthier, shinier hair with minimal effort.